It is that time of day again, your opportunity to practice West Coast swing in our body language curriculum. My name is Jessie Lopez, and I'm so excited to be working on the individual body mechanic of grounding through the action of rolling our feet. Grounding, do it. Rolling the feet inside of our dance is a really great way to look like you're dancing better, which is what we're trying to practice for. So as we do that, you're going to try taking the ball of your foot, we call it the three-toe base, and pressing that into the floor as you move the weight backwards through the foot. A roll starts at the front and moves to the back of the foot and allows you to smoothly press your leg actions into the floor. My friend Lucky up in Canada says that that's kind of like trying to press a footprint into the sand without blurring any of the edges. And I feel like that is an image that works really well for a lot of people. So whether it's stepping on berries, crushing a spider, or pushing your foot into wet sand, I want you to be able to try and create whispered footwork against the floor. That's opposed to the idea of just taking steps where your foot comes off of the floor. Not that that doesn't have a place in dancing, it's just not this place. Practice your grounding by rolling your feet through both the timing of a double step and the timing of a triple step, so we can continue improving in how we create quality West Coast swing. Thank you, guys. All right, everybody, it's time to switch to practice mode. Grab your pineapple pants, jump up off the sofa, and let's give it a shot to some music. We're gonna make the goal starting slow and switching into faster. I want you to really focus on starting at the ball of the foot and moving your way backwards. We're gonna go with the right foot. Pressure, down, straighten the knee. Right foot. That's your left, guys, my mistake. Right foot, pressure, heel, leg straightens. Left, pressure. Let's speed it up just a little bit. We'll step 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Straighten, press. Ball of the foot to the heel, then doubles. 1, 2, 1, 2. Double step, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. Triple steps. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Keep it smooth. 1 and 2. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, doubles. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Triple step. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Nailed it. Good job, everybody. Keep playing your own music, keep practicing the roll, and I'll see you for the next tutorial. That's my awkward walk-off. Plus side, I still look like Thanks, baby. Okay, I said thanks, but I gotta wait for you to say action.
Action.
Grounding.
I say action. You say
Grounding.
action.
Grounding.
Action.
No. Welcome. No.